We have the G.I. Tanto from Cold Steel. Obviously I added a little bit, but nothing affects the quality. I just put some grip tape on the handle and some leftover ACU paracord I had left over through all the eyelets. But overall, this is a genius knife. Super cheap. I think it was $30 when I bought it, but it's probably cheaper now. But let's look at it, because I ran it through some serious work. Yeah, so here we go. I did a whole lot of batoning with my axe, or hatchet I should say. I threw it at trees, believe it or not, because it is rated for a throwing knife. And it stayed pretty well intact. I did get it to stick in the tree many times. It's still super sharp. Cold steel does do justice. I beat the crap out of that thing. Look at that. This is actually a really good quality buy if you want a camp knife. It's still, I wouldn't call it razor blade sharp, but the damn thing is sharp. I hit it with the stone a couple times, obviously, but all those lines you see are actually from cutting wood and batoning. This is real wear and tear on a blade. And it's still true. I beat this thing with a Fisker's hatchet.